behind me, I started painting the high. It's a bright green color. The deep base is kind of flinging around. It's a little liquidy. In this case, and usually other times, I think it's a good idea. These are white switches to go ahead and at least create a drip edge or a spatter guard on them. I usually just take some tape, run it over the top of them. And the whole point of this is, okay, I'm protecting it, making sure that I'm not wasting time later coming through with a wet rag, having to clean off the tops of light switches and outlet covers when it only takes a few seconds to go ahead and cover them up. I know I'm not spraying, but I am rolling, and just in past experience, I'm gonna get paint on the tops of these outlets and switches. So I just wanna cover them up. Now I can work faster, more efficiently without having to worry about paint getting on them.